Hey, habit builder. You already know what you want to achieve, so we are going to simply work on honing in the habit of planning how you're going to fit in the activity or particular habit that you want into your life. And we're going to be paying attention to the hurdle that gets in the way of your best intention. Of course, this happens to me all the time. If I want to go for a run and then I get a little bit lazy, or maybe I decide to watch a bit of Netflix, or I want to do an assignment, but I just think, oh, this is so hard, let me do it later. We all have our hurdles, but it's really important for this course and for your self-awareness and power and confidence that you really pin down exactly which little bit is missing for you, and not only what the hurdle is, but also what your potential aider is. So we all need some support. And so whether this is calling someone who will encourage you, whether it's making sure that you book that run with someone else so that you don't let yourself down, we will all be looking for the aiders. One of the things you'll see about this course is that this is really practical work. We are learning in practice what works for us. What works for Magdalena of today. That's not the same Magdalena as 3 months ago or 2 weeks ago, or possibly even in the future. So it's really important that we learn in real moment. But once you learn this formula and you learn this skill set, you will know how to do that for all the things you want to achieve for the rest of your life. And that, I hope, will be the gift of this course that you will treasure from now on. What I have seen working with people one-to-one on procrastination, on burnout, on standing in their own way, is that often the biggest obstacle is internal disconnection, or disconnection between mind, heart, the body, or the spirit. So a part of you wants to go and a part of you wants to stay. A part of you wants to do and the part of you feels like not doing. For all these insights, there is a solution. But until you know what the problem is, you can't find one. And so I don't want you to be leaking your confidence. I want you to be pinpointing the help you need to excel.